Boom! Yo, walk one. So a lot of y'all may be thinking like, who's this Monday? Where's CONTRAE? Yo, chill, bro. Chill. My boy just stepped out, yeah? Yo, CONTRAE. Shit. Go. Yo. But you know, man, them's been busy, right? Minute. But so, today's the day. Just thinking about some yo-yo, you know? Chill, bro. Chill. So, let's get into it. Alright, so today what I will be showing you are 2 methods how you can apply your locally made pomade. So a lot of weavers out there have received pomade and are using it, but they don't know how to apply it. Like, they don't know how to use it. So today I have 2 methods which can help you and I to apply a pomade. I can use to apply your pomade. One of them is the hotel method. The second one, well, it's the simplest. You just have to apply using your finger.
Bruh.
Or fingers. Yeah, whatever. So I'll start with the first one. Let's go.
Dice is on the beat.
two main essential steps that you can apply in order to know how to use your Pomade. So we had the freehand style and also the hotel method style. Yeah, these two. Simple as that. And that's it. That's it. We're done. We're done. So, adios. So, I'll be demonstrating.
Push it. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep. Push it. Try that, man. Give me that.